on this accord with the two. For gas engine, P1009 is a VTC advanced malfunction. In plain terms, the PCM may be seeing the variable cam timing system not advance the way it expects. The driver may notice a check engine light, roughness, hesitation, or reduced performance, but the symptom can also be mild. The broad fault areas can include oil flow through the VTC circuit, the VTC oil control solenoid valve, the VTC actuator, or a mechanical timing-related issue. Before you start testing, save the captured data and any onboard snapshot. If a related cam timing signal code is stored at the same time, handle P1009 first, then recheck for that other code afterward. Start by verifying the problem. Turn the ignition switch to on Roman 2, or use the engine start/stop button to select on mode. Clear the code with the HDS, start the engine, and check pending or confirmed codes with the HDS. If P1009 comes back, continue into the VTC oil supply checks. If P1009 is not indicated, treat it as an intermittent failure and the system is okay at this time. Next, shut the vehicle down. Turn the ignition switch to lock 0 or select OFF mode with the start/stop button. Remove the VTC strainer and check it for clogging. This path starts with oil delivery because the actuator can only respond correctly if oil flow is getting through. If the strainer is okay, move on to the oil control valve test. If the strainer is not okay, clean the VTC strainer. Replace the engine oil filter and the engine oil. Then go to repair verification. With the strainer ruled out, test the VTC oil control solenoid valve. This is the commanded hydraulic control point for the VTC system, so do not skip it and do not jump straight to the actuator. If the VTC oil control solenoid valve tests okay, continue to the actuator inspection. If it does not test okay, replace the VTC oil control solenoid valve, then go to repair verification. After the solenoid valve checks okay, inspect the VTC actuator. If the actuator is okay, check the VTC system oil passages and clean them if needed, then go to repair verification. If the actuator is not okay, replace the VTC actuator, then go to repair verification. One extra caution: if P1009 set after a VTC actuator replacement, verify that the correct timing marks on the crank pulley were used. Keep verification separate from the component checks. Turn the ignition switch to on Roman 2 or select on mode with the start/stop button. Reset the PCM with the HDS. Do the CKP pattern clear, the PCM idle learn, and the CKP pattern learn. Then run the HDS VTC test and monitor the OBD status for P1009. If the status shows passed, troubleshooting is complete. If any other pending or confirmed codes are present, check what they mean next. If the status shows failed, go back to the beginning and recheck the diagnostic path. If the status shows not completed, retest and check the OBD status again. The clean way through P1009 is to prove the code first, then work through oil supply, solenoid control, actuator condition, and oil passages in order before final verification. For more diagnostic training, visit stepdiagnostics.com.